My Face's Instagram pages made me over $500,000 in passive income, and I just started running them only 2 years ago, knowing almost nothing. And now I turned this into a profitable business that runs almost completely on autopilot. If you follow the blueprint that I'm about to share with you in this video, I can almost guarantee that you can see similar results and profits if you start today. So without wasting more time, let's get into it. Step number 1 is to start an Instagram account about something you're actually passionate about, because you're gonna spend a lot of time doing research and creating content. So make sure you pick something you're actually interested in, because otherwise it's gonna be super hard to stay consistent, and most likely you're gonna go crazy, because in the end, Instagram is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Step number 2, download or purchase the software that you're gonna need to run your account. If you are a student, you can get the Adobe Premiere Pro software and access to Photoshop for under $15 a month. But if you're looking to not spend any money at all, I recommend going with CapCut for video editing and Canva to create designs for your Instagram page. I actually still use the CapCut free version until this day, while I gained over 5 million followers in the meantime. Step number 3, we're gonna start pushing out content, but before you do it, you gotta make sure that you know how the algorithm works. If you wanna go viral and grow your followers quickly, pay attention to what I'm about to say now. Likes are irrelevant these days, or at least they are not as important anymore as you might think. Instagram values these 3 things way more than likes, and they are watch time, which means how long the average viewer watches your piece of content, saves, which means how many people click to save your content, and shares, which means how often people share your content on their story or send it over to their friends. For saves, it's about 10 saves for every 1,000 impressions you get, and for shares, it's about 3 shares per 1,000 impressions. So think about it, people usually watch your content for about 4 seconds, then 1 in 100 saves it, and only 3 in 1,000 share it with someone else. The reason I'm sharing this is to just give you a good understanding of how the current algorithm works, so you know exactly what you need to focus on when you're just starting out with your Instagram page. So speaking about content, now let's move on to step number 4, where we're gonna dive deeper into what kind of content you actually need to create when you're just starting out. So in the beginning, I would just focus on only posting reels, because reels are by far the best way in 2024 to go viral and get a lot of followers, because in the last couple of years, TikTok has been blowing up like crazy and it stole a lot of Instagram's viewers, and now Instagram is trying to win them back by pushing out reels, so it's super easy for people like me and you to go viral on Instagram. Take a look at this reel for example. This reel got me over 44 million views, and because of that I gained over 100,000 plus followers from just one reel. And this isn't something special, because so many accounts are blowing up overnight on Instagram right now. Take a look at this page for example. This page is from one of my clients, Emily, and she gained over 400,000 followers in just 6 months. And I've done it for myself as well on one of my pages called Capital Fortunes, and I gained over 300,000 followers in just 1 month. So now let me show you how you can create some simple viral videos like these. First of all, what I recommend you to do is to take a look at some similar pages within your niche and take their most viral content with a super strong hook. Then we want to create a voiceover for your piece of content, and we're going to be using this brand new AI software called ElevenLabs, and this tool is free to use and it lets you create your own unique custom voiceovers. You can clone voices or create your own custom voices, and you can adjust it exactly to how you want it to sound. Here is how our example sounds for now.
Here are the 6 Japanese techniques to overcome laziness.
Now it's time to go find some cool background footage for our video. So there are 2 main ways how you can go about it. Number 1 is to use viral clips that are already out there on the internet. You can just download them from other reels on Instagram, or you can grab my viral clips pack that you can find in the description of this video. The reason why those clips work so well is because there's always something happening in the background which keeps the viewer hooked, and because of that the watch time will be a lot higher, which means the chances of going viral will be higher as well. The second option is to go with Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI software that can generate custom AI generated images that fits the vibe of your voiceover. Midjourney is paid, but there's also a free alternative called Leonardo.ai. But all you have to do is just type in what kind of image you want, and Midjourney or Leonardo.ai will create them for you. Now that we have the voiceover and the background footage ready, it's time to import all of our files into our video editing software. And today I'll be using CapCut since it's free and in my opinion the easiest to use. You can drag the images in and just match them to the audio. And finally, we want to create auto captions by clicking here. Now this is just one style that's working super good at the moment, but in future videos I'll walk you through different styles of content that are currently popping off as well. So make sure you're subscribed so you'll never miss any future videos. Step number 5. Now before you actually start posting, go through this checklist and ask yourself the following questions. Does this grab people's attention? Will people share this to their story or send it to a friend? Does it trigger people to comment and give their opinion? Will people save this for later to come back to? Does this provide value and substance? If you can answer yes to all these, congratulations, you have a viral video. Make sure to take a screenshot of those questions or save this video so you can always come back to this, because this is literally the cheat code to go viral. So let's get back to step number 5. When it comes to posting, I always recommend to post at least once a day. You don't want to post too much, but you also don't want to become irrelevant. So in my opinion, posting once a day is the sweet spot in the beginning, and once you build some momentum, you can up it to 2 times a day. But always remember, it's quality over quantity on Instagram. Step 6, double down on what works. For example, this post over here got 44 million views. Then I took the exact same concept, but I just changed the background footage and it got almost 30 million views again. Instagram gives you access to all the insights of your post, so make sure to keep track of that so you can see exactly which pieces of content perform above average. Step number 7, monetize your account. All the previous steps are basically useless if you don't know how to properly monetize your account, and this is where a lot of people struggle. But trust me, it is easier than you think. In the last 2 years, I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars from my Instagram pages, and I've actually found several ways on how to monetize it, but I'll explain them in future videos, so make sure to be subscribed. But for today's video, we'll be focusing on digital products. The benefit of selling digital products is that we'll have huge profit margins and you don't have to deal with shipping costs and unhappy customers. So in order to find a digital product that suits your niche and page, we want to go over to Digistore24 or Copco.com. Over there, type in your niche and search for a product with a good commission and good reviews. Now, the digital product won't sell itself, so in order to make this work, we gotta grab the link of our digital product and add it to our Instagram bio. Make sure to have a strong call to action in your bio as well, so that people who check out your page will also check out your digital product that you are selling. Now, this method works great, but there's an even better way to do this to get way more eyeballs on your digital product. And again, this time, we're gonna let AI do the hard work. Go to ManyChat.com and connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. ManyChat is a partner of Meta, so you don't have to worry when connecting your account. Now, what you want to do is you want to set up an automation that ManyChat responds when people comment a certain keyword. So for example, let's take the keyword start. Once you've entered the keyword in ManyChat, make sure to have a nice opening message, and at the end of the message you can put the link of your digital product for people to check it out. Make sure that within the piece of content you post, you have a certain call to action in either the piece of content itself or in the caption, so people are aware that if they comment, in this case the keyword start, they get a message from you. If you use this method all the time and one of your posts blows up, you will get an insane amount of comments, which will directly lead to sales as well. Like for example, this piece of content got me over 34,000 comments, which are all potential clients if you have the ManyChat automation set up. And one viral video can easily make you a couple hundred, if not a couple thousands, if you're selling the right products. So now the final step of this blueprint comes all down to you. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Instagram is a marathon and not a sprint. So the most important piece of this blueprint is to just show up every day and be consistent. Just focus on becoming 1% better every single day, and at one point you will reach your destination. A lot of people fail because they don't see immediate results after just a couple of posts. But don't be like that. Don't try to be the best after just a couple of posts. Just show up, be consistent, and play the long game, because that way you will most likely outlast everyone, and that way achieving your goals is going to become super easy. Now, if this video was valuable, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.